guys, so today I'm going to unbox this. These are the three of the Apple iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and then 11 Pro Max. It's a carbon fiber case that is made by Evutec. These are the AER Sports Series for iPhone 11 with the Affix Plus vent mount. So with the real aramid fibers, these are 5 times the strength of steel of the same weight. It is a very lightweight fiber, often used in aerospace and advanced military applications, including ballistic rated body armor. So the rugged composite won't crack or chip like an ordinary plastic. Combined with the rigid polycarbonate shell, impact resistant UV-Soft Plus material, and Evutec's unique honeycomb interior. The AER Sports provides 10 feet of military-grade drop protection, and the free magnetic vent mount that comes with the AER Sports give you the confidence and safety of hands-free use in your vehicle while keeping your phone where you need it. So this will allow you to be confident, drive safe, keep it clean, go wireless, look good, feel good, roam free. Alright, so let's go ahead and then open this up. By the way, I'll be including the links that's going to show you with the description so you guys can check out the product. Wow, looking good already. Here's 1, 2. Also, I guess they send the iPhone 11 Pro and then let me check. This one says iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 10 and 10s compatible. It's a free car mount inside, 10 feet drop protection, advanced composite material, AER Sports Series black lime color. So this one is mixed with the lime color. Affix Plus magnetic car vent mount included. Multi-layer drop protection. Open here. Wow, it's a nice material. So you got the Affix magnetic car mount right here, which is included. Got the built-in metal insert right here, and that would not interfere with your Qi wireless charging. And this is a carbon fiber material. You got the Evutec and then UV-Soft Plus for drop protection, and ultra rigid shell. Let's go and then open this up. So here is the air vent mount for your car. And here's the instruction. And there's your honeycomb right here by Evutec. As you can see, it's a TPU silicone case on the inner part. So you gotta mount it this way. There's a clip right here to lock into this gap right here. And then if you want to remove it, you gotta lift this one apart, up. Pretty cool design. And right here is a rubber mount right here, so you won't scratch it. Alright, so this one, the silicone case, you cannot remove it, okay? And then that's it. That's for this one. Let's go and then check out the black one. So this one is the ultra slim design. Advanced composite material. iPhone 11 Pro. Again, it's come with the affix plus magnetic card vent mount. And it says will not affect wireless charging. Go ahead and then open this up. Alright, so the built-in insert is on the edge within those four corners, because your Qi wireless charging is right in the middle, so it will not affect the wireless charging for your phone. So this one, the mount it is different. And then here's an instruction again. You could mount this horizontal vents or vertical vents. So you see the metal plate. Oh. So you need to mount it and then push it down. And if you want to mount this way, and then you're going to push downward to lock it. Oh, that's cool. So you could mount this landscape or portrait mode. Alright. And then I forgot to show you guys here the cutout for the volume rocker, your silent switch, and then here's Evutec branding right there. Then here's your power button. It's your cutout. And then your Evutec branding right here. So this one is thinner, and this one has a 10 feet drop protection. Alright, so this is the iPhone 11 Pro. I'm gonna do a test real quick on this two of this Evutec cases. Let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, so as you can see, it fit in there very nicely. There's your silent switch, your volume rocker, and then your power switch. Your microphone, your Lightning charging port, and then your speaker grill. And then this is what it looks like with the protective layer of your camera lens. Let's go ahead and test out the other one. And then I just need to mount this on your air mount. You do a portrait mode or the landscape mode, okay? You can see how there very nicely. It's not gonna get loose. Alright, so let's go ahead and test out this one. This is a carbon series, and this one is the black and lime. Let's go ahead and test this one out. So there you go. Alright. And then this also looks like on the camera. You got this raised lip to give you extra protection. Although I have a camera lens screen protector on there already. Well, here are the two other products, and these are the iPhone 11 Pro. They have it for a different model, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and then 11 Pro Max. So just go check out the link that's going to show you within the description, so you guys could check them out or pick them up. Anyway, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And then I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.